पलट 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 और जिद भी पलट जाएगी. फुल सलमान भाई मोड ऑन.
एक बार जो मैंने कमिटमेंट कर दी, उसके बाद तो मैं खुद की भी नहीं सुनता.
मैं नहीं छोड़ूंगा. And this line sometimes, one sweet mommy messaged me 2 days ago. She said, Surabhi, my son is very stubborn. बहुत जिद्दी है. Full सलमान भाई मोड ऑन. अगर उसने एक बात सोच ली ना तो फिर खुद की भी नहीं सुनता. So I said, welcome to the club, mommy. We all have this little ziddi superstars at home, isn't it? So today let's open this spicy topic, zid, hut, stubbornness. Is it bad behavior or is it boss baby energy? Is your child the future CEO or drama king or queen of your house? We will find out with love, brain science and lots of laughter. Type yes in the comments if you have one little Salman Khan living in your house too. तो हुआ ऐसे. One parent wrote to me, Surabhi, my child is very stubborn. Is this a problem? Will he be okay? Will he succeed in life or should I worry? Let me say this straight. Stubbornness is like Karela juice. कड़वा तो लगता है, but थोड़ा थोड़ा daily लेना जरूरी है. Stubbornness has one hidden gift. मैं नहीं छोड़ूंगा. And this line sometimes it becomes magic. That's how inventions happen. That's how businesses start. But parents get worried because they don't see Steve Jobs at the dining table. They see this mini Bajrangi. मैं सब्जी नहीं खाऊंगा. So yes, just being stubborn won't make your child successful. सिर्फ जिद्दी होने से तो सिर दर्द होता है ना, सक्सेस नहीं. But if you add one big G, guidance, then this same zidd can turn into 3 superpowers. Grit, never gives up. Growth, keeps learning. Greatness does wonders in life. So parents, child's zidd plus your G will be superpower. Now drop one word in the comments. Which one do you want most for your child? Grit, growth or greatness? Let's see which G wins for you. One mother is asking, Surabhi, I want to be close to my child, but I also want to say no sometimes. How do I do both? Well, that's like asking, can I add tadka to dal without burning the whole kitchen? Of course you can do. You just need the right timing and the right flame. See, our child should not feel like we are Flipkart sale. Everything always open. Always yes, always available. Mummy, can I have chocolate? Yes. Papa, screen time? Yes. Homework later? Okay, that's okay. Are we parenting or running a free buffet? See now, the real magic is this. Connect first and correct later. But हम क्या करते हैं? Child enters home. टैंग टैडांग, आ गए. चलो अब होमवर्क शुरू कर दो. अरे भाई, that's like going from कभी खुशी straight to कभी गम. No interval, no popcorn. Instead, try this. Sit with them, smile and ask, मेरे बेटू क्या चल रहा है? So talk first, listen next, and then slowly set the rules with them, not on them. Because when they feel heard, they hear you better. Now tell me honestly, have you ever said this line? अरे यार, मेरे ही बच्चे के साथ इतना ड्रामा क्यों है? बाकी सब बच्चे तो खुद से सब कुछ कर लेते हैं. And that one line, it hits harder than a Karan Johar's breakup scene. Full दर्द भरा. Okay, बस, don't worry. I made a quick video just for powerful parents like you to take you from why my child to wahare mera child. So don't miss it. Go watch. Comparison, that is the silent killer of confidence. Let's end this why is my child always like this thinking once and for all. You are not their enemy, you are their Google Maps. Guide करते जाओ, चाहे वो 7 बार भी wrong turn ले ले. If you give rules only, they become buffaloes. Sometimes quiet, sometimes argue, but will not move even an inch. Sometimes they may back answer, fight back, but still will not move that inch. what you need to do. Beta, I trust you, I love you. That's why I want to help you stay safe while you explore your world. Because if you give love only, kids become monkeys, jumping even on your dining table, screams if you say no, wants what he wants right now. तो क्या करें? Balance. Say no, not like Sunny Deol shouting. Do it more like Shah Rukh Khan with hand in hand, teary eyes. Beta, no phone after 9. Okay. To cut the story short, strong bonding isn't about saying yes to everything. It's about saying no without saying get out of my sight. It's saying I'm here. Even when I say no, my love is still yes. Now I have got this very interesting question. Surabhi, when my child gets stubborn, like full on drama, shouting, fist tight, all that, whatever I say, things become worse instead of better. So I wonder, what should I not say at that time? So I said, do you have 2 minutes or 2 hours? Because we parents, we speak a lot. When child says, no, I won't, we become movie hero. मैं बताता हूँ तुझे कौन बड़ा जिद्दी है. But wait, let's first check what not to say because words are like chili powder. ज़्यादा डाला ना तो सब जल जाएगा. So first is, तू कभी नहीं सुधरेगा. You will never get better. And this line hurts. It feels like telling your child, बस तू ही defective piece निकला है हमारे खानदान में. Then child starts thinking, तो मैं गलत हूँ ना, तो मैं वैसे ही रहूँगा. No change, only more drama now. And second is, मैंने तेरे जैसा दूसरा कोई बच्चा नहीं देखा. I have never seen a kid like you. Really? Are you living in Switzerland jungle? अरे every gully in India has 3 stubborn kids. When you say this, your child feels alone, bad, broken. They don't say it, but inside they feel, मुझसे कोई प्यार नहीं करता. And then bonding flies like pigeons in मैंने प्यार किया movie. And third is, will you be stubborn? Huh? You think I'll stay quiet? I am also your baap. Let me also show my zidd now. And let's see who wins, you or me. And then the house becomes a full-on drama stage. Child doing zidd, papa doing zidd, mummy hiding behind kitchen ki kadhai, and dadi is whispering, don't say anything now, ye khandani zidd hai. So what to do when your child becomes Sunny Deol? Don't shout, don't fight, बस एक गहरी सांस लो, जैसे स्कूबा डाइविंग के पहले लेते हैं. इमोशंस और ऑक्सीजन दोनों फुल. Then talk slowly, not like DJ वाली बाबू वॉल्यूम बढ़ा दो, but like बेटा, let's think together. And हाँ, say what you want, not what the child is doing wrong. For example, don't say, stop being stubborn. Say, my wise Vetu, let's solve this like a team, because zidd is like wet mitti. If you shout, you slip and fall. And if you guide, you shape into something beautiful. Parenting is not India versus Pakistan. It's like a full movie masala. Drama, songs, tears, and a happy ending. Don't fight the child. Guide like Raj does it in DDLJ. Palat, palat, palat. और जिद्द भी पलट जाएगी. थैंक यू.